Welcome to the investment markets overview for the week ending the 22nd of October 2021. Bitcoin has been on a roll of late, up fourfold over the past year despite its stomach-churning 50% slide from mid-April to June. The roller coaster ride has continued this month with a 50% price jump in anticipation of the launch of the first US ETF using a cryptocurrency derivative as its underlying asset, the ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF. Over $1 billion poured into BITO this week, making it one of the most popular ETF launches ever. It will primarily invest in Bitcoin futures and no doubt will be followed by other Bitcoin derivative, ensuring even greater volatility for investors. Unless, of course, they use a solution that avoids the volatility whilst enhancing the results. You can find out more by following the link. The overview includes the performance statistics for the main stock indices, which were mixed, as were the commodities and the cryptocurrencies covered. Whilst sovereign bond yields were higher across the board. Meanwhile, the regional coverage notes the momentum loss for US home sales and house price inflation, the UK public sector debt and the rising cost of servicing it. And out east, Chinese property company Evergrande's enormous debt load. The launch of the ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF will broaden the appeal of Bitcoin for US private investors, as they can hold it within their tax-deferred retirement accounts, a problem with the physical coin. Another avenue that is growing is the availability of Bitcoin ATM machines. There are now almost 30,000 crypto ATMs worldwide, with the bulk, at over 26,000, located within the US. Aside of widening the distribution channels for Bitcoin and other cryptos, the companies that manufacture and operate the ATMs provides another investment opportunity. After all, during the great gold rushes, the providers of the shovels made far more than the prospectors. A final performance table for the major stock indices since the year 2000 concludes the investment markets overview. A one-month trial of this 40 times per year publication is available for less than $15, or the price of just one decent cup of coffee per week. It's an ideal opportunity to grab the bargain discount for 4 publications. We strive to turn the technical into plain-speaking observations, backed up by factual charts and context. Join us for a guide through the maze of economic and market data via the weekly 5-page overview.